Welcome to NIC, your Inforce data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to identify annuities exiting surrender charge periods when funds become more flexible. With this, you as an advisor can reposition assets without penalty. To view these, navigate to the Insights button on the left-hand navigation, then select Annuities. From here, click on the Opportunities tab at the top of the page, where you can view upcoming surrender expiring contracts. Remember that you can click on the blue numbers to the right of any breakdown to get a more in-detail list of those contracts. Overall, NIC highlights annuities exiting surrender periods, giving you the insight to help clients reposition assets more flexibly and without penalty. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.